Today I am going to discuss some basic configuration of WordPress backend side. This is the backend dashboard of WordPress. You see that there are many widgets here. You can remove any widgets that you want. If you want to remove this welcome to WordPress widget, you just have to click on the screen option here and uncheck this welcome screen. This widget will be removed. If you undo this if you want to undo this widget, you just again click on this checkbox. And the same way you can remove this at a glance option from here, and if you want to undo, just check it. That's all. And now come into the title, my title. How can we change this? By clicking setting general. You see here is my title. You can change is tech master, and you can change the tagline here by writing anything you want. I am going to write gathering tech info. Gathering tech info. And you can change anything you want here. If you want anyone can be registered, you can click it here, and in this option, if anyone registered on this WordPress, what will be his role? This is a subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or administrator. By default this is a subscriber. Okay, if you want to change the language of the site, you can click in this drop box and change it from here. And you can create the time zone from this checkbox, and time format and date format can be changed from this section. Okay, then come to the wording section. Here are some important settings. First one is your home page will display. Actually in blog site there will be several blogs on your home pages, and if you want to change one page into a static page, then you can click on this radio button and select any of the page that you want to display on your home pages. And in this setting you see blogger post shows at most. This is 10. You can change this from any figure you want. Actually this is the option of displaying the blogs or articles in the home page, number of the posted. Okay, same way and this is important, discourage the search engine from indexing this site. You must click on this checkbox before completing all the configuration and posting your articles. This is SEO issues. Okay, another setting is permalink. This is also very important in the SEO section. You must click on the post name radio box. This will help you to rank your website or rank your articles on Google. Okay, and in your user section, let's see, this user is your user, and you can edit from this edit button. You can input your name. Let's change it to tech master, and this will be and displaying name. You can change it tech master or tech master, anything you want. I am choosing tech master. Okay, if you want, you can change the admin email address also, and you can change the image here by using the Gravatar account of WordPress. and you can change the password also from generating password section, and after that you have to update the profile. This is actually the general configuration I am discussing about, and there is the appearance section. From this section you can design your WordPress site, and also you can click on here for some configuration like import export data from any other websites. And here is the plugin section. You can add plugins or remove plugins from this section. Actually these two are a default plugin of WordPress. You can remove them by clicking checkbox here and click on delete and apply. These two plugin will be deleted. That's all. And here is the post option. By default there is a post. You can remove it from here by clicking this checkbox and move to trash and apply. You can also remove the by default page. There is a default page. This is sample page. You can click on this and move this on trust and apply. So this is actually all the general configuration of WordPress back inside at the very beginning of WordPress installation. I will discuss further with some more settings, plugins, and designing WordPress website further. I hope this tutorial will is helping you to understand the basic configuration that is required to WordPress at the very beginning of installation. Thank you very much.